Hi guys, and welcome back to GSM-ABC, and today we are gonna do a waterproof test on the Samsung Galaxy A34. We will have 3 rounds, one in a shower, one in a bowl of water, and another one we will let it sit for about 10 minutes in the water. Stay tuned till the end to see the results. Without further ado, let's dive right in. So for the first test we have the shower. The phone works with no problems, but mind the touchscreen when you use it in the shower. As you can see, the phone doesn't have any problem from the back to the front and even on the bottom where the USB-C port is and the speakers. Here for the second part we have the phone. Like last time, it works pretty well, and we will make it take a bath just a few times. No problem whatsoever for the A34. Even the USB port and the speakers are fine. As you can see now, the touchscreen works pretty well, and the phone passed this test as well. Now for the next one, we will let the phone sit here for about 10 minutes. As you can see here, the screen works even under the water. Now let's wait a few moments. After the time is up, the phone obviously works. No signs of water under the screen or even on the USB port and the speaker. The touchscreen works pretty well, and the phone turned out to be really fine after the test. No comments on this one. A34, it's a phone that you can take with you in the shower or even in any activity involving water. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell us what you would like most and what phones would you like to see in the next video, and I will see you next time.